Hey guys, welcome back. We've got something new to learn today. It should be a really short video. There's nothing too crazy about this, but it's finding a new mean whenever we're already given the statistic and we're trying to add some more data to it. So I'll explain this using this scenario. We'll just pretend that we had 7 students. It's like our number of observations would have been 7. 7 students took a statistics quiz, and the average grade from this quiz was a 64. Not so good. And you know that the professor will curb your grade as long as the average was less than 70. So as it stands, it looks like everybody's going to get 6 points added to their score. However, there were these 3 kids, and they're all stats nerds that were at some stats convention, and they came the next week to take this quiz, and their scores on it. One kid got a 96, the next student got a 91, and then the last one got 100, perfect score. So here's our question. So with these 3 new students taking this quiz, what is the new mean? What's the new average for the class? Are they still going to qualify for that curve? What is the new mean? What's the new average for this class? So the issue is, right, like I can find the average of these 3 students very easily just by adding up each individual observation and dividing by 3. We can't do that here because we don't know the individual scores. All we know is that the students averaged a 64. But we can still find the new mean if you just think about what this average means. All we would need to do is pretend that each student that took this quiz scored a 64. That would still make the average a 64. So what I mean is, for finding our new mean, our new x bar, all we would need to do is take 7, which is going to represent the 7 students that took this quiz right here, and multiply it by 64. And then we can add the 3 new scores. So we could add 96, add 91, and add 100. And then we can divide all this by the number of observations. So we had 7 to begin with, but we're also adding 3 new observations. We're adding these observations right here, right? We're adding the 96, 91, and 100. So we're adding 3 new observations, which brings us to 10 students total. So we'll just keep working through this and get our new x bar. Shouldn't be too bad. So just on a calculator, I would do 7 times 64. That's giving me 448. So 448. Again, plus all of this, plus 96, plus 91, plus 100, and that will all be divided by 10. Okay, so I'll just keep working through this. You just add all of those numerators together, like do 448 plus 96 plus 91 plus 100, and then divided by the new amount of observations. I suppose I could just write it out for you. Do 735 divided by 10, and our new average grade would be a 73.5. So unfortunately for those first 7 students that took the quiz, man, no more curve for you. You're stuck with what you got. And just to verify here why this worked, why this thing worked, right, in this little section, if you did, like if I added up 7 observations, and they totaled 448 points, 7 students took the quiz, I added all 7 quizzes together, got 448, divided by 7, which was the number of students, you will get 64. So that's really the premise behind this. If you want to practice, I can give you just one more quick example. Like we can do something without even any context. So let's have maybe 13 observations with an average of like 52. And then we can try to combine some set, a new set of observations where, and I screwed that all up. Awesome. And we can add some new observations where let's have, I don't know, like 5 new things, and the average of this group could have been a 61. So if I combined this set of data to this set of data, what would be the combined mean? And we'll just call it like a new name. I don't know, we'll call it like Y bar. Kind of the same idea, right? You can try this one on your own, see what you get for the mean, but all you would really need to do is find the total points from that first group, 13 times 52, add it to the total points from the second group, which would be found by doing 5 times 61, and then dividing all that by the total number of observations, which in this case, if I'm combining these two sets of data, and assuming I'm using the same unit of measurement, that would be 18 altogether. So your mean for this group would be, I need to get a calculator to do this, so 13 times 52, that is 676, plus 5 times 61, which is going to be 305, all divided by 18. Just trying to make this kind of like a short video, so let me just hurry up and do this. So 676 plus 305 divided by 18 would be 54.5. If I pulled these two results together, the new mean would have been 54.5. Like I said, short, easy to do, but just something I certainly wanted to cover with you. Thanks for watching. See you in class. Bye-bye.